when I went back home after my trip, courtesy of Visit Rwanda, I was inspired very much to write and tell people about my experience. And the reason I did that, because even in olden days, the people who moved culture forward, the people who went to foreign lands and came back with the things that they have learned and implemented those things in their societies and in their day-to-day lives. I'm inspired by the people of Rwanda. I'm inspired by the strides you guys are making. I'm inspired by how beautiful this city is, and the mindset that drives you guys is phenomenal. And it was beautiful to hang out with the president and see where that mindset comes from. And see that, it all starts at the head. And his legacy isn't just about in the leadership positions around him. His legacy is you guys, because when I meet the people of Rwanda, I feel like your energy reflects the values that Kagame stands for. I'm a big fan of President Kagame, and I think as an African leader, we want to have him in Kenya on loan to come and build for us a few things for a few years, and then we can bring him back. But that's a story for another day. I just want countries are learning from Rwanda. So as you build here, building is a day-to-day task. And in the building, sometimes you forget what you're actually building, but please be reminded that you guys are actually a beacon of hope for the continent. And when you see the strides you're making, we are proud of you guys, and we emulate that, and we carry that energy with us anywhere we go. So that you don't feel like we just come here, we do shows and we leave. No, it's not about that. It's about how we connect as a people. And I'm inviting all of you to come to Kenya as well, and spread that love and spread that energy. And hopefully you'll have beautiful things to say about Kenya when you come back to Rwanda. Thank you.